Today, we're cooking up beef bacon. Guys, I've got some fantastic beef bacon for you. We're gonna be making the ultimate BLT, so stick around and see how I put this sandwich together. I am Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. And this is some beef bacon from Chapman's Cattle Company. Guys, they have a grass-fed, grain-finished beef that is fantastic. You may have seen me cook up some of their steaks, other things. Now they've now expanded that into pork and chicken and all kinds of great meat for your eating. But guys, today it's some of their beef bacon. So come in here close. Let me show you this bacon. Let me show you how I fry it up and how I make this ultimate BLT. This is our bacon from Chapman, guys. I don't know if y'all have had beef bacon before. I never have. Something new for me. So I bet you I'm gonna enjoy it because I love BLTs, but we're gonna open this up and pull it out and get a close look at it. Y'all are gonna see this for the first time with me. I tell you what, if you like lean bacon, you're gonna like this. My wife loves lean bacon, and I want you to look at that. There is a lot of straight running meat in here. It's gonna be great. Gonna make up a couple of BLTs. We got our lettuce, our tomato, and I told you this is the ultimate one. So we're not stopping there. We're gonna add fried egg up on top of it, which fried eggs always go with BLTs, guys. And we're also gonna add some avocado slices. I think y'all can see that's some pretty bacon. We're gonna get it on to cook and toast our bread and let y'all see that. Last look at that beautiful bacon. Let's get it over to the stove. I have got a good hot skillet here. Guys, this is a number 10. I think that's a Wagner ware is what this one is, one I keep here in the kitchen. But we're gonna take a piece of this nice bacon, lay right there. I do have a little coat of, a thin coat of clarified butter down on there. But get us 4 nice slices to make our BLT with. And let's see how this beef bacon cooks up. Got some plastic tongs, use the rubber silicone tongs. I usually don't put metal in my cast iron, guys. Let's see how this does. Like any bacon, we're getting some shriveling on there, guys, but it's a nice thick piece. It's not a real thin slice. And those muscle fibers are just starting to tighten up. Got a little different, right? It looks more like beef on here instead of that pink we have when we do pork bacon, but it's looking pretty. Not sticking to my skillet. Y'all look at that. I have a nice finish on this skillet. It's been seasoned well. This is sizzling pretty good. Flip these over, and I'm going to change position a little bit when I do. Take these. We want to take this bacon where it starts to crisp up some. And we're going to see how it turns out. I bet you these are fantastic BLTs. Flip these over again. Oh yeah, see they're starting to get a little crispy. That's the way I like them on my sandwiches. That's looking good. Let's get these off. Got my skillet heating up with a little clarified butter in there, guys. Gonna drop in an egg to fry. This is a little number, this is a little Griswold's what it is. Nice and smooth on there. And it's gonna cook up good. We're gonna do this sunny side up. Different ways you can do that. I've been insulted a lot on frying eggs. I got an egg video with about 1 million views on it. Some people love it. Some people tell them I'm an idiot. So if you want to see how to fry an egg, maybe the exact way, I'll put a link to that, that video on there for you. But we're going to let this cook. Got my rubber spatula. And you can see this egg is not sticking. This Griswold is nice and smooth. If you like an over easy egg, however you want to do it, you're more than welcome to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one sunny side up. And one of the easy ways to do it, if you want to cook that top, is right here. Put another pan on top. If you put another pan on top or a lid on it, holds the heat in, and it will actually start cooking the top of those whites. You just got to pull it off before you cook your yolk and get it white also. That's what you have to be careful of, doing the sunny side up this way. You can see we're starting to cook that top. It gets cooked before the yolk does. But again, if you leave that heat on there too much, it will start turning your yolk white. But this is a great way to do it. So back on with our lid. Go about another minute and we'll check it. So uncover this. That egg is looking good. We're gonna get it up out of that pan. Look at there, guys. That thing is not stuck in that cast iron. So it's gonna come off. Let's get it on that sandwich. That is a pretty egg. Now, here we go. Toast is going in. This is just a number 8 Lodge, guys. Got a little butter in there. So we're gonna kind of move our toast around in that butter. Let it soak some of that up. We'll toast this side, flip it over, get the other side toasted. This is a walnut multigrain, so it's one that the wife and I really do enjoy. And this is gonna make a fantastic sandwich. This skillet's pretty hot, so it's not gonna take too long. It's starting to brown just a little bit. Yep, we can see that. We'll get them flipped over here in just a minute. I think we can probably turn the fire off, get those over, let them cool down a little bit so we can get on our mayo and start making this ultimate BLT. Got our bread out here, guys. We're gonna go with some mayo. Just use your favorite mayo, whatever that happens to be. Got our spreader. Got that from Cutco Josh. Guys, y'all like Cutco knives and stuff. He's a great guy. He's one of their top salesmen. We've been a customer of his for, I don't know, 10, 12 years maybe. But anyways, really good guy. I'll put a link below so you can find the knife guy, Josh, right? All right, plenty of mayo on our bread. Let's start putting this sandwich together now. Got that? I think I'm gonna go with some pretty leaf lettuce first. Put that on there. I'm liking that. I got 4 big slices of beef bacon we're putting on here today that we cooked up from Chapman's, guys. That looks pretty. Our tomato part of that BLT. That's looking good. A little bit of avocado. Gonna give us a nice creaminess. And here we go. Got our fried egg. Gonna put it right up on top. Tell you what, might have done 2. But that's looking pretty. There it is. Put that up there. Did we get the break in there? Hope so. That is oozing out and looks good. Now I'm gonna take it. We're gonna slice this baby in half. There you have it, guys. Beautiful BLT with some beef bacon. My first experience with beef bacon, but we're gonna give it a try. Let you look at that sandwich right there. How you liking that? I think that's really pretty. Guys, this Chapman has great meat, so I'm expecting a lot from this bacon. Gonna sop up some of my egg down there on the end. And let's give this a sample. When you get it on you, you know it's good, right? I'm liking this beef bacon. It's definitely different. If you don't eat pork, here's a great option. My dad had a hard time eating pork, so I know Mama, boy, if he had some of this for Mama to fix for him, he'd have been a happy individual. But it's good, it's tender. Good flavor to it. I cooked up nice and crispy, but looks like a fantastic sandwich. If you like fried eggs, go look at some of my fried egg videos. That one's got about 1 million views, how to fry an egg. And you can read the comments and see how many people insulted me, but get on there and make your comment about that video. Leave a comment about this one. If you want to help this channel, #1 way, guys, is to watch the whole video, hit that thumbs up and make comments, and of course share with your friends and get them to do the same. Check out Chapman Beef. I'll have a link for them below. We have got grass-fed, grain-finished cattle, guys. It is fantastic meat. I've eaten my share of it. and I love it every time I try it. So give them a try. Thanks for stopping by today. Always do appreciate it. Hey guys, remember to share us with your friends and family. Share us on your social media. We're going to see y'all down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine. So long, everybody.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.